Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Semrush projects and projects data, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer Semrush projects and project data, begin by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the projects dashboard where all your existing projects are listed. Identify the project you wish to transfer. Click on the project name to open its specific settings. Locate the gear icon or settings option within the project interface. Select the option to export or transfer project data. Choose the desired data formats for your export, such as CSV or PDF. Confirm your selection and wait for the export process to complete. Once the data is exported, save the files onto your device. Log out of your current Semrush account. Next, log into the Semrush account to which you want to transfer the project. Navigate back to the project's dashboard in the new account. Click on the option to create a new project. Enter the appropriate name and settings for the new project. Now, import the previously exported project data. Select the corresponding file format you used during the export. Upload the file and confirm the import. Wait for the import process to complete successfully. Review the new project to ensure all data has been transferred accurately. If needed, make any adjustments to the project settings or data in the new account. Finally, test the functionality of the transferred project to ensure everything is working correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.